Hi there, Coach Michael here. Are you interested in taking your business and your organization to the next level? Well, I got the secrets. First, question. You ever cook a box of rice? Perfect instructions right on the side of the box. 2.5 quart saucepan, teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of margarine or butter, 2 cups of water, bring to boil, pour in the rice, cap it, simmer it 20 minutes, perfect rice every time. But in business, where you put your most time, energy, effort, and money, no recipe until now. Friday, February 9th, for 2 hours of your time, from 11 to 1, I will show you how to take your business from where it is to where you want it to go. I'll teach you how to get more efficient with your time, how to know your numbers inside and out to get your numbers to work for you, how to create a destination of where you want to go with that company, and how to deliver your process and services to your clients to create raving fans. How to create an amazing team, keep an amazing team, create a culture that attracts the right people, create systems, all the things you need to take your business from where it is to where you want it to go. And most importantly, I'm going to teach you in just 5 easy steps how to increase your bottom line by 61%. So if you're looking to make your business more synergistic, get a better team, more systematic, and simply make more money, join me Friday, February 9th, 11 to 1. It's limited to 10 people. That's it. First come, first serve. And the only thing I ask from you is 2 hours of your time and $20, which goes to the Military Hero Foundation. So we're giving back to those who give us the opportunity to do our best in business. If you're interested, click on the link below, and I will see you soon to help you and your business go next level.